Traditional project management is built on one big assumption, that the solution is already known. In AI projects, that assumption breaks immediately. Here, the answer is not planned up front. It is discovered through data, experimentation, and learning. Classic project management works well when scope is stable, requirements are clear, and delivery is predictable. That logic fits construction and many software projects. But AI projects are different. Progress depends on data quality and model behavior, not on predefined tasks alone. In AI projects, scope evolves as data is explored, requirements emerge through experimentation, and success is expressed in probabilities, confidence levels, and trade-offs, not simple pass or fail results. This demands a very different control mindset. When teams lock plans too early, they create false confidence. Issues appear late when budgets are already spent. Leadership believes the project failed suddenly. In reality, it failed gradually, iteration by iteration. AI projects need learning-driven control, not rigid upfront planning. This is exactly what CPMAI addresses. If you want to go deeper and see how PMI structures AI projects end-to-end, explore the full course on Udemy.